This simple glitch lets you fly. That means you can finally obtain palm wood. And not just that. I will also show you 2 other ways to fly, so make sure you watch until the end. So let's start with the flying toboggan glitch. You will only need 1 friend and 1 toboggan. We will obtain the land sign along the way. So because the toboggan is no longer obtainable, the only way to get it now is to buy it from other players. Seems like this player sells toboggans. Can I buy 1 toboggan? Then bring it to your base and reload. So that's how to make a flying toboggan. First, ask your friend to load an empty slot. Then send your friend 100 bucks. Then your friend should buy some land. Bring your toboggan. Then finally ask your friend to put the land sign inside of the toboggan, sit on it, and reload. And now you have a flying toboggan. Now in case you want to obtain palm wood, then you will need to have your friend grab the palm tree. So this is the second fly glitch. For this you will need 2 items. I just used shabby sawmills, and a friend. Yes, you will need a friend. Though the third fly glitch doesn't require a friend. So you both need to stand on the item, and hold each other's item. And then slightly hold the item by the left side. When you arrived, drop the items. Then do the same thing, but with big pieces of palm wood. And now you have 2 big pieces of palm wood. So the third glitch doesn't really let you fly, but it lets you climb walls so you can obtain lava wood safely. So first, go near the volcano. Drop your axe, put it like this, and then make sure you have shift lock enabled. Activate shift lock, grab the axe at the green spot, and go forward. I recommend using a steel axe that can be bought at Wood R Us. To obtain lava wood, just climb 3 walls, chop some trees, and drive them to your base. Make sure to subscribe not to miss new videos. And though that was some cool flying glitches, but to see other glitches, watch this video.